Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Stable Diffusion with Google Colab for image generation. Let's get started. First, go to your Google Colab account and create a new notebook. In the first text box, write the following codes provided for Stable Diffusion. Click on the Connect button to connect to a runtime. Then, click on the Play button to execute the code. In the next text box, write the additional codes provided, focusing on the code line containing the prompt. Write your desired prompt for the image you want to generate in the prompt section. Specify the image's height, width, steps, guidance, and negative prompt as required. Write the code provided below the specifications. Click on the Play button to initiate the image generation process. Once the process is complete, your image will be generated based on the provided prompt. The link to Stable Diffusion is in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.